for tuning in to another episode of World Dance Workout with Olga and my partner Mihai. On this episode, we're going to show you some popular Armenian folk dance steps that you're going to be able to take with you to your next party, or that you could just practice at home for exercise. Something to note is that you're going to be able to use these steps to pretty much any Armenian folk traditional song. So I hope you enjoy it, and let's get ready to learn some Armenian dance steps. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to learn the steps without music because they're a little bit intricate. Afterwards, we'll put it together with music and just loop it a bunch of times until you're comfortable with learning it. So the first thing we're going to do is talk about the hands. The hands are very, very important in Armenian folk dance, especially for the ladies. So what we're going to do is we're going to rotate the wrist towards ourselves. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. From here, you're going to stop with your wrists back to back, and you're going to sway. Right, left, right, left. From here, you're going to do the same thing, but up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that again. This time, let's back up a bit because we're going to add some feet. So all we're going to do is once we twirl the wrist, you're going to walk forward with your right foot in a triple step. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to take 4 single steps. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Then you're going to do the same thing back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. So Armenian dance is very often performed or danced at parties as a circle dance where you are holding your partner. So very common to hold your partner by your pinky. And so once you hold your partner by the pinky, we're going to walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to drop. 5, 6, and 7. Bring your weight onto your back leg. Repeat to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, jump, jump, down, lean. All right, I'm going to let go of Marae and we're going to practice it on our own. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, lean. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, lean. All right, from here, very, very popular step. If you get absolutely nothing out of this video, at least get this next step. So we're going to step with our right, swing your left, step with your left, swing your right. All right? So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. With this foot, you're going to walk 4 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. And repeat it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And so the hands swing because, again, you're holding your partner. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? So, typically you'll notice that all of these folk dances, they travel counterclockwise. So please make sure you're doing our mirror image. Otherwise, you're going to clash with the rest of the people on the dance floor. So, that was level 1 of the traveling step. I'd like to show you level 2. If you're feeling up to it, but musically you can always do level 1. So we're going to start it the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now instead of the 4 walks, you're going to jump together, lift your left, jump on your left. All right, and repeat. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. All right, let's try that with the step brush. 5, 6, we step to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, together, right, left, together, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, together, right, left, together, right, left. All right, so that's level 2 of that step. All right, I believe that's really it. There's going to be a point in the music where we're going to break into some little plie breaks, but otherwise, those are the steps, so let's put it together with music.